Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Danielle, or Danny, whatever you want to call me is fine. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this video, but this is sort of my go-to, no-fail, didn't give myself enough time type of look. I will do this look in some variations, so today is sort of like a warm palette with a bold lip. Maybe I'll do more of a cool kind of look with a glossy nude lip. You know what I mean? It's just super versatile, super easy, just quick, simple techniques. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you. So if you want to see my quick and easy, go-to, never fail, always feel good, always looks good type of makeup, then just keep on watching. Please ignore how fluffy my hair is. I'm gonna take it down later, put some hair shine in it, and just like go. So I'm about to go to happy hour with a friend. So I've got about 45 minutes. I don't have very much time until I just need to like be out the door. So I was thinking about a customer that I had like 2 or 3 days ago. I was wearing just a super simple makeup look that is effective. Like, I know it's gonna look good. I don't have to put much thought into it. It's just kind of like a no-fail look. And when she came in, she asked me to do that look on her. She was like, do you have time to do makeup? Sat her down and I did her full face. She bought everything because, and she told me this, she was like, I'm buying everything because honestly, I feel beautiful, great, awesome. And then she said, and I feel like this is something that I can actually do on my own, like super easy, super effective, and I feel like it's not gonna take me too much time. So I'm gonna do that look again. Oh, I've got my foundation on already. I am wearing the Estee Lauder Max Coverage and then MAC Next to Nothing powder. And I'm wearing the MAC Waterweight Concealer because that Estee Lauder Double Wear, the Max Coverage one, is like so full coverage, so I just needed something a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna start with my brows. Well, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in the shade Espresso. And I'll zoom you in a little. This is nothing special, so we're just gonna fill in the brows. Just fill your eyebrows in however you normally would. Again, we're trying to keep this a really like simple, easy makeup look, so maybe just don't try anything new with your eyebrows on that day, you know? After this, I'll go in with some Shape Tape to kind of clean them up. So on a day when I probably don't have very much time to get ready, rather than trying to make my eyebrows look like twins, I kind of just fill them in for what they are and leave them hanging out in like a cousin kind of zone. Like, you can tell they're related, you know, and it's fine with me. So I went ahead and I just set my brows with some clear brow gel from e.l.f. Let's move on to the eyes. My kind of go-to, and pretty much any MAC artist's go-to, I'm gonna be using MAC Soft Brown Eyeshadow and a Morphe R39 brush. It's literally just going to go all over the lid. I like to build up my soft brown to be as smoky as possible. It's not a very dark color, but it's not too light. Like, it's definitely noticeable. So I just pack that all over, and then I'll like wipe off the brush, blend that out just so it's nice and soft. So we're just building up the color to be as dark as you want it, especially down by the lash line because we aren't going to do much liner. And I'm just wiping off the excess. I feel like it's really important to use less brushes if you are in a hurry, just to kind of keep the clutter down and so you don't get overwhelmed, especially if like you're not used to using a bunch of brushes. So if you have someone do your makeup and they're using like 18 different brushes, that's just their process. That doesn't have to be yours. So I'm taking this Morphe R41 and I'm going to use this in 2 different ways. So I'm taking the soft brown again and I'm just going to take that all along the bottom lash line and I'm making sure to connect the outer corners. So you could totally stop at this point, just throw on some mascara. I am going to just darken the outer corner and I'm still going to use this R41 brush and I'm going to be taking MAC Brown Script. I don't know if you can see, but I've just put the brown script on the tip, so I'm not going to buff this out too much. And I'm just going to put this like on the outer half here. That's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. I will add a little bit of brow highlight and a little bit of inner corner highlight. I'm going to be taking my Oh Darling highlight from MAC and that same R41 brush. Little intense right there. I don't know why I packed it on so hard. Just taking a brush with my face powder on it and just softening it up a little because I did not need that much. Good lord. So for this look, I usually skip liner. You could totally add that if you just want to do like the top lash line with a little bit of maybe like brown, like a kohl liner, or just a little bit of black liquid liner. That would be nice if you feel like you need that little bit of intensity. I'm gonna take this really old jumbo eye pencil from NYX. This is the color Rust, and I'm just gonna put a little on the waterline. So just a little bit. I think that day I was wearing Costa Riche, but I don't have that at home. So I'm gonna pop on some mascara. This is the Pro Beyond Twisted Lash by MAC, and I'll be right back. Okay, so mascara's on, and I mean, honestly, I could stop here. I could definitely leave the house looking like this. I just feel so naked. I'm gonna be taking some MAC 48 lashes. I have a mirror here in front of me. So if it's straight on, when I do my lashes, I tilt it back so that I have to look down. If you have a mirror that's like got a magnified side on it, it makes it much easier. So go ahead and do that. And I'm just sort of lowering the lashes over my natural lash line. So I kind of connect right in the middle, and then I'll do maybe the outer corner and then the inner corner. So just as close to the lash line as you possibly can. And I feel like tilting the mirror back like that so that you have to look down into it just sort of stretches out the lid so you have as much room as possible. So again, I'm looking down into my mirror, and I'm just gonna lower, and I'm gonna worry just about the center first. And then connect to that outer corner. And then the inner corner. Okay, so now the eyes are done. That's it. It's literally It's mainly one eyeshadow. You add a little bit darker of an eyeshadow along the bottom lash line if you need it. So now I can move on to the face. I'm gonna be taking my matte bronzer from MAC, and I'm using an angled crown brush. I got it in either a Birchbox or an Ipsy. Just bronzing in all the usual areas. And as always, I cannot skip this step. Do a little bronzer down the sides of the nose. Sticking just sort of with a warm theme here. I'm gonna take Gingerly Blush by MAC. And then to highlight, I'm taking my Oh Darling again, and I'm gonna use this Morphe fan brush. I think it was like an R something 42. I'm going to take one of my favorite lipsticks, probably of all time. This is the Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick from MAC in the shade Cafe Au Chic. Should I just leave it like this? Once you have your lips done, just go ahead and set your face. I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray because I'm so oily. Went ahead and threw a beanie on because it's snowing outside and I'm going out to Portland, so it's gonna be freezing. So I know this video isn't anything like groundbreaking or super exciting, but I just wanted to show you my go-to, no fail, always looks good, quick, easy makeup look. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, sort of my go-to type things or more in-depth tutorials on specific things, I did try to go in-depth on putting my lashes on just quickly, showing you how I do that. But if there's anything else that I kind of skip over too quickly, just let me know in the comments down below what you think I need to slow down and talk you through a little bit more, if that makes sense. Please subscribe, please give me a like, a comment, anything helps, really. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.